how do you earn more money? A lot of people always ask me, John, you want to start a business, I want to earn more income, but how do you actually earn more money? So I'm going to give you 5 ways that you can actually do this to earn more income. So the first thing I want you to think about is when it comes to creating more income creation, I think the first thing we need to think about is our knowledge creation, meaning that we have to learn new things in order for us to earn more. Most people don't earn more because they don't know more. In fact, if you look at the word learn, L-E-A-R-N, that spells learn, but if you take off the L, it spells earn. So that means if you're not making more money, it's because you're not learning more, right? So you must learn more. So that's the first thing you want to do. Second thing you want to do, if you want to earn more money, you want to hang around people who have got a lot more money than you. I know it sounds really basic, but it's true. When I first started out in real estate, I started hanging around property millionaires. I started asking them questions like, what property do you buy? Where should you invest? Where's the best location? What types of property? And started hanging around the right people. So I started to get more knowledge and start literally finding out the things that they do so I can actually do that as well. So you want to start getting yourself in a network. There's a saying that says your network is your net worth. The third thing I do, if I really want to start to earn more money, I would start to either work for a company or model a company that was making a lot of money. So for example, when I first started out in the industry, in this whole economic craziness that's happening in the world right now, you look at all the businesses that are thriving are online businesses. I didn't work for a company like that, but I guess I partnered with them. So I was partnering with them and I was looking at what they were doing, and that's one of the reasons why I fly around the world. I get to meet some amazing people in our industry and I get to see what they're doing, and then we can model that with us as well. I started to build this partnerships with people who were better than me, who knew more than me. So that's what I started doing. The fourth thing I would do if I wanted to earn more income, I would start to think, okay, the trend. What's the biggest trend that's happening right now? What's the up? So if you look at some of the trends, if you go to Google, you can actually type in Google Trends and you see what's actually trending. But in business, you also look at the demand. So one of the ways if you want to make more money, you have to look at the demand in that specific industry and trend. So let's say, for example, right now you are in a position where you want to start something, but you have no idea whether it's going to make money or not. Well, if you go to Google and you can actually type and it'll give you the top 10 search terms. And if you go to Google Planner, it'll tell you the actual search units, so how many people are actually going there and typing that in. By using specific tools, we get to shortcut some of the processes. The fifth way, if you want to make a lot more money and you want to increase your income, you must increase your belief system. What does that mean? So if I said to you right now, could you go out and make £1 million this year? Like, what would most of you think? You'd probably think, it's impossible. It's no way you'll be able to do that. Some of you, it's like, oh, that's easy, right? If I say to you 100,000 this year, or 50,000 or 20, to some of you are probably already doing 20, 50,000. But you want to think about, it's your belief system. If you think you can, you're right. But guess what? If you think you can't, you're still right. We have to focus on what are we doing every single day that can really allow that belief system. And Tony Robbins says that a belief system is nothing more than a feeling of certainty. So then the next question is, how are you going to get more certain doing this stuff? How are you going to get more certain? Well, those things I suggested, by surrounding yourself with people who are already doing it. That's what I did when I first started real estate. I started hanging around people as well who started buying property and making a lot of money from it. So that's when it kind of taught my belief system that actually this is possible. If you want to change your belief system, you got to change the way of thinking. So it's not what you do, it's how you do it. I want you to write that down. It's not what you do, it's how you do something. And that's the most important part. So for example, a lot of people always say to me, oh, John, I want to start this, but there's too much competition. Well, I said, well, of course there's too much competition. It's not what you do, it's how you do it. Are you standing out? How do you stand out? Like when you do standout marketing, how do you stand out from everybody else? How do you do viral marketing? How do you do sales? How do you do content marketing? So many different things that you want to think about, that if you change the way you believe that things are possible, and you got to ask yourself the question, well, is that true? So for example, is there a lot of competition? Is it true? Yes, it is. But are they what could you do differently that's different to them? That's what, again, you need. That's why you need coaches, you need mentors, and need people to help you. I would start off with these 5 things that if you want to earn more income, it's actually not always what you got to do, but it's the person you have to become in order to get that result. And these are the 5 things that you want to become and you want to start inviting into your life to actually start achieving more. I really hope that you got a lot of value from this. And if you love this, then depending on where you're watching this, make sure you follow, subscribe, take a screen grab, subscribe to the podcast or YouTube or wherever you're watching this right now. Make sure that you do that so I can give you a lot more content. Make sure you like and comment. And if you listen to the podcast, make sure you screen grab this and tag me in the post. But I really hope that you got a lot of value from this. You got any questions as well, leave a question and I'll personally come in and answer those questions as well. It's John Lee, the author of Business Hack. I'll see you next video. Bye for now.